Yes, I'll do it, ma'am. Don't worry. Okay, I will start. Let the technology take its time. So, good afternoon, everyone. As everybody has talked about education, mine is a broader topic on legal background, where I wanted to talk about the media, the social media, entertainment, education, telecommunication, and online transactions. So, why I wanted to take a broader canvas is everybody know what we are facing today and what we have been facing in the past 4 5 months. But this pandemic situation is not new to us. In 2003, we have heard about SARS. In 2009, we have influenza pandemic, and that was not so terrifying as that of today. Do you when you take the novel COVID-19, here the fear that was caused was due to media. They were giving us informations stating that how a media should reflect or how it should reach people is the most concerned thing, because they are in a responsible situation and where people are need to accept what they are saying, and they would be start believing them because they give the statistics very attractively. So every day we see the statistics, and I will ask you a small question. Do you really believe the statistics that is being shown to you daily by various medias, and how you know now the answer is with you. So you well know what you understand from it and what is your idea about it. So likewise, the questions which I have framed, if you see, the first one is the health risk communication tools which were designed during the need of these pandemic diseases, whether they are short duration or long, or they are really complex in nature. So why I mean to be complex in nature is, now we don't have a medicine. We are asked to follow certain practices, and we are following certain practices, but then too, the outcome of it, even after lockdown, and we do have complete lockdown on Sundays, so we should not forget that situation. So even in such situations, I heard one presenter was saying we need to get used and be practiced with the virus. If we get the virus, then I don't know how the psychological reaction of each one would differ. But we need to protect ourselves. We need to understand how the others have to be, because we have already come across something like that earlier in HIV and other diseases. Tuberculosis was one such thing which was really a threat during those days. And slowly we will positively come, as somebody said, and most of them were talking on education, so I'll post a question on that even. So one man was asking about whether students who are weaker will be educated. These more interactive sessions which we are talking now has so many difficulties which everybody was speaking, and we have come across such things. The one thing which we need to keep in mind is, these interactive sessions are paid and they are not for free. And our constitution clearly says that there must be free and compulsory education. And I would quote from my state, from state of Tamil Nadu, where they have now initiated something like they would have a TV exclusively covering for education. But that too is a problem. If there are two children studying in two different classes, and how would the subjects be posed, how would the syllabus be posed, how would they understand it? So all these things are there. They must be having a TV. So all this is with electricity, TV, mobiles, and other gadgets which should support you with the other tools. So this is what the question which I wanted to place before the learned peoples. The next thing I wanted to post is the trust, the key, which is the key principle of risk communication, because the trust that need to develop from the political social environment, from the socio-economic environment, and with the community as such. So how this is going to really play a role. So now going back to my legal aspect, I would like to quote the laws that is available. We have a pre-independence law on pandemic things which need to be really brought into a robust and clear, unique law. maybe an umbrella law which would cover all these things and help the people at large. And next, if you see, it is from IPC I am quoting 501, which says it is a bailable offence. But here, if you see, for publishing and circulating statements or rumors of reports, so that is what is the scope of that provision, and it says that there will be an imprisonment, punishment aspect, imprisonment which may extend to 3 years or fine or both. Next, if you see, yeah, I am talking about the Information Technology Act now. It is section 66D, which clearly states that, see, any communication in a device, computer resource cheats by personation. So then only it is going to have a punishment which may extend to 3 years, and a fine may be for 1 lakh or so. And if you see the Disaster Management Act 2005, section 54 talks about this issue. I think the slide is with the thing, you can collect it later. And if the current law, see, there is section 269 and 270, which is really talking about this infectious or communicating or contagious diseases, and how that could be legally taken into. Yes, I am concluding, ma'am. So as to the last part, if you see, the earlier laws which I have said is all in bits and pieces, and if you really want to have a law for a pandemic to take out the situation and really come out with a solution, there must be a robust umbrella legislation to meet out the situation like COVID, because it is really causing economic damages to many people, because you would have seen people running from one state to another state like nomads, and how they have been treated. And on the other hand, we are talking about platforms like this where education should be there for children who are economically sound. That is how it should be said, because if they are economically not in the status to maintain, then they won't be having an education which they needed. So the real purpose of our constitution, where free and compulsory education for the children would not go, and it would only be in papers. So with this I conclude. So I think I have thrown a light on the observers, and I take this opportunity, and I thank all the organizers and the presenters. Yes, I am ready to answer any question if is there. Yes, thank you. Yes, is there any questions? I am ready to answer.
Pallavi ma'am, shall we move ahead? No question.
Okay, thank you.
Shall we move ahead, ma'am?